Welcome back to another English speaking practice. This lesson is designed to help you speak without fear. Many learners know words but cannot form sentences naturally. This practice will help your mouth and brain work together. You will hear simple, real-life English. These sentences are used in daily American conversations. Listening carefully and repeating aloud is the key. Slow practice today will make fast speaking easier tomorrow. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Now let's begin. Waking up feels calm today. Sunlight enters the room gently. The alarm stops ringing. A new day quietly begins. Stretching the arms feels good. Feet touch the floor slowly. Balance feels steady. Morning energy starts building. Walking to the bathroom feels natural. Cold water refreshes the face. Eyes feel more awake. A deep breath feels relaxing. Looking in the mirror brings confidence. The day looks manageable. Nothing feels rushed. Everything feels possible. Turning on the shower feels comforting. Warm water relaxes the body. Thoughts become clear. Stress slowly disappears. Dry clothes feel soft. Comfort matters today. Choosing simple clothes feels right. Movement feels easy. Entering the kitchen feels familiar. Fresh air fills the space. The fridge door opens quietly. Simple breakfast feels enough. Bread warms nicely. Coffee smells amazing. Steam rises slowly. Morning feels peaceful. Sitting at the table feels grounding. Each bite feels satisfying. The body feels grateful. The mind stays calm. Checking the phone feels optional. Messages can wait. This moment matters. Silence feels good. Cleaning up feels light. Hands move naturally. The sink shines again. Order feels nice. Shoes slide on easily. Keys fit in the pocket. The door opens smoothly. Outside air feels fresh. Walking down the street feels pleasant. Traffic sounds are soft. People walk with purpose. The city wakes slowly. Crossing the road feels safe. Signals change clearly. Patience feels natural. Timing feels right. Reaching the bus stop feels routine. Others wait quietly. No one feels rushed. Time feels steady. The bus arrives gently. Steps climb inside. A seat feels comfortable. The ride begins smoothly. Buildings pass by slowly. Conversations sound friendly. Words feel understandable. Listening becomes easy. Getting off the bus feels simple. The sidewalk feels busy now. Coffee shops open early. Smells feel inviting. Entering a cafe feels warm. Music plays softly. People smile politely. The mood feels friendly. Ordering feels confident. Words come naturally. The cashier understands easily. Communication feels successful. Waiting feels relaxed. The drink arrives soon. Hands feel warm. Gratitude feels natural. Sitting by the window feels perfect. People move outside. Life feels real. Moments feel meaningful. Standing up feels ready. Work calls now. Steps feel steady. Focus begins. Office doors open smoothly. Greetings sound friendly. Smiles feel genuine. Belonging feels good. Sitting at the desk feels familiar. The screen lights up. Tasks feel manageable. Confidence stays strong. Typing feels smooth. Ideas flow clearly. English feels comfortable. Progress feels real. Time moves forward steadily. Breaks feel refreshing. Water tastes good. Breathing feels easy. Looking outside helps. Stretching feels healthy. Energy returns naturally. Motivation stays high. Lunch feels deserved. Food tastes better. Conversation feels relaxed. Laughter feels natural. Afternoon work feels lighter. Understanding feels stronger. Responses feel quicker. English feels less scary. Packing up feels satisfying. The day feels complete. Effort feels rewarded. Pride feels quiet. Walking back home feels peaceful. Evening air feels cool. The body relaxes. The mind rests. Home lights feel warm. Shoes come off easily. Comfort returns instantly. Safety feels good. Dinner smells inviting. Simple meals feel best. Talking feels easy now. Words flow better. Sitting quietly feels nice. Reflection feels healthy. Growth feels visible. Practice feels worth it. Confidence grows slowly. Fear fades naturally. English becomes familiar. Speaking feels possible. You did a great job today. Listening itself is progress. Repeating daily will change everything. If this practice helped you, like the video to support the channel. Subscribe for more calm English lessons. See you in the next class. Take care and keep practicing.